What is tinnitus? It is defined as a constant noise or ringing in the ears. A common problem, tinnitus affects about 1 in 5 people. It is most often caused by age-related hearing loss, ear injury or a circulatory system disorder. Tinnitus is usually caused by constant exposure to loud noise. This loud noise permanently damages many of the small inner cells of the ear. When these cells are damaged, they produce the dull ringing in the ears called tinnitus. With tinnitus control, you can experience homeopathic relief from the symptoms caused by tinnitus. We are an FDA-registered company, so you know you are not getting any snake oil salesman. Tinnitus is a blight on the lives of millions, and any new solutions that may offer hope for tinnitus sufferers is both exciting and warmly welcomed. Click in the link below in the description to start relief, knowing you will be getting a natural remedy that works. Homeopathy is a very unique system of medicine, because the ingredients are used at levels generally understood to be non-toxic, with no negative side effects, and is based on the basic notion that, like cures like. Around 90% of people affected with tinnitus suffer from the condition as a result of noise-induced hearing loss. Advertised on MSM, CNN.com, MSNBC and USAtoday.com. Millions of people may have the tinnitus condition, so severely that it interferes with their quality of life. The use of homeopathic ingredients, for particular conditions, is based on homeopathic provings and observation throughout time, that are recorded in the homeopathic literature, including the preeminent Dictionary of Practical Materia Medica, by John Henry Clark, which we relied heavily on in developing our formulation. At frequently asked questions, we have found this product to be one of the most popular on the market, due to being an FDA-registered company, and its effectiveness as a relief. You can experience all-natural homeopathic relief of the annoying ringing and constant distraction of tinnitus, with tinnitus control. Just 2 sprays under the tongue, up to 3 times a day, can help reduce your symptoms safely. Please like and subscribe so we can produce more content. Click the link below so you can get relief now.